If I were voting for someone, it would be President Obama. I really do like him. I like his policies. I love his family. I think he's a great leader that everyone in this country needs. He made promises and he tried his best to keep them. He's all about equality. I'm not gay, but I have friends that are, and I think that it's really nice and now that they get to feel what straight people feel when they fall in love and getting married. And even if it doesn't agree with me and my religion, I still respect the fact that President Obama was not blind to the fact that people deserve those rights and people deserve to be happy no matter who they love. I love President Obama. I think he's the greatest. And I'm voting Obama 12, baby. What's up?